So in this video, I will be teaching you how to add an SAP HANA Cloud instance. So basically, we will go to instances and subscription. Here we can see I have deleted all the subscription that I had previously. Now we click on create. In service, we type SAP HANA Cloud. In plan, we select tools. Then we click on create. After we click on create, we can see that in subscription column, SAP HANA Cloud has been created successfully. Now we click on this icon to go to the application. This will give us the following screen saying you are not authorized to view this content since we don't have any role collections assigned for that. For that, we will go to users. Select our user, and there we will assign these three role collections. And then we will go to that tab again. Mm. Uh, since we had just assigned the roles, the changes haven't taken place yet, so we will sign out and then sign in again. Now we can see that we don't have any error here. Now we will create an instance, a database instance that will that we can see here. So we'll click on create instance. While choosing type, we will choose SAP HANA Cloud, SAP HANA Database. We are not going to use Cloud Foundry here since uh, we can use other environments, and from that other environments, we are going to add an additional Cloud Foundry environment. So we click on next, instance name. We can add anything here. Description, it is optional. Password. Hmm. Then we will click on next. Click next once again. We don't have this feature, so we will go to next step once again. Connections. For now, we are going to use allow all. Instance mapping. Here currently we are going to select nothing and click on next. Data lake is again an optional step. So we will just review and create. Now we click on create instance to create the instance. As we can see now, we can see our HANA database here. Until our instances is getting created, we can simultaneously add data lake as well if we would like to. Allow on IP addresses. For data lake, let's add delete. Then we will click on create instance. Till our instance gets created completely, we will add business application studio. To create business application studio, we will click on create. In service, enter business. Click on create. So we have created business application studio successfully. If you click on go to application, you can see our business application studio. From here, we created a space. For CAPM, we can choose either full stack cloud application or full stack application using productivity tools. We are going to choose full stack cloud application here and add all the additional extensions just in case. After adding all the extensions, we click on create new database. Since we can create more than one database, we can also create, we can also use full stack application using productivity tools for CAPM application as well. Same procedure, we are going to add all the additional SAP extensions. Now let's check our instance status. As we can see, now our database creation has been successful and it is in running state now. Still, there's one final step left. We are going to click on this three dot, click on manage configuration. And here in mapping, we haven't connected this database with our Cloud Foundry environment, so we are going to do that here. So we are going to sign into Cloud Foundry first for that. Select default identity provider. Allow all the authorization. We can return to our place once again. Mm. And here we can add a mapping. Now we have Cloud Foundry environment. We can select our environment instance ID and group. Now this is our subdomain and space name. So now we can click on review and save. We will apply changes to the restart. Then click on save changes. So since I had applied the restart, this will refresh the database. And after refreshing, it will add the Cloud Foundry configuration into our. So that's it for today.